Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack and take a close-up look at the L'Occitane tote bag. So let's go ahead and open up the shopping bag. So as you can see, this is L'Occitane's Christmas edition paper shopping bag. And let's take a look inside and remove the contents from it. Okay, so those are the contents from the shopping bag. And of course there is some wrapping paper. Let's put that aside and let's see what this is. So there is some marketing material here. So we can set the pamphlet to the side. And over here, there appears to be an envelope. Let's go ahead and open it up. Take a look inside. And of course it says merci. Thank you. Let's set that down. And appears to be some purchase documents there for the L'Occitane tote bag. And now we're looking at the L'Occitane tote bag. You can see that it is wrapped in a clear plastic bag. And just giving you a close-up look to the details before I open it up. So as you can see, very interestingly, it is made from organic cotton. And right there, you can see that it is a 2019 holiday bag classic. The details right there on the wrapper itself. And now let's go ahead and open it up. So there is a flap over here. Let's pull that open and slide the L'Occitane tote bag out, and of course very carefully disposing and recycling that plastic bag. Okay, so you can see this organic cotton tote bag right here, and let me give you a close-up look before I start unpacking it. So giving you a look at the very fine detail. So it is a slightly off-white color, or you can call it cream even. Just giving you a close-up look to the details, and you can see there is a tag there. And just giving you an idea size-wise as it stays neatly packed. Okay, and now let's unfold it. And right there, you can see that it is quite a wide tote bag, just barely fitting in the frame of the video. So I have to stretch my arms out pretty far out. So bear with me if the video becomes shaky as I try to maintain some balance here. And it tends to be kind of a slight workout for me to work on my core as I stretch out my arms, and giving you that close-up look right there with some details. So it says, "I'm made with love and organic cotton." So very interestingly that they've gone to the extent of using organic cotton to manufacture this tote bag. Okay, and so it is a slightly off-white color, as I mentioned, with the different kind of artwork on it. And now giving you a closer up look at the far left hand corner, and giving you a look at the stitching details as well. so you can see the different objects and shapes that are printed throughout this tote bag. And just taking a look at the base as well. And there was a packet that just fell out from the tote bag, and it appears to be a packet of desiccant or silica gel. Okay, right there, and make sure you dispose of this carefully, even though it does kind of indicate that, if I can read clearly, there's something about being green and dry, but nonetheless make sure you dispose of that safely just in case, and keep it out of reach of children and toddlers and babies, of course, just in case. Okay, so right there, giving you a look at this very wide tote bag from L'Occitane. And of course there is a pair of very wide handles on it as well. And let's check out the stitching detail in terms of the handles, because that's where the failure normally happens if a tote bag should start wearing out and falling apart. And right there, and taking a look at the inside as well, just in terms of the weave pattern. So very flat weave pattern for the tote bag, as you can see, and with the high contrast blue details, as well as contrasting against that off-white or cream main color of the tote bag. And taking a look into the width as well, in terms of the depth of the tote. Let's set it down, if I can do so, to give you some idea of just how wide this bag is. So resting or placing my hand on the side of the bag, you can see that it is quite a wide bag. So pretty sensibly sized bag in terms of the usability of this, given that it is quite wide as well as quite deep. Long, wide and deep. So there we have it. The L'Occitane tote bag, made from organic, or made of organic cotton, and giving you a look at that repeating print pattern right across the length of the tote bag. And with that nice rich blue color, might appear slightly paler in the video. From what I can see on the LCD, it does appear slightly paler. And right there. And of course, showing you once again those details on the inside of this L'Occitane tote bag. Okay, so nice tote bag, nice in terms of the overall design, quality, materials, stitching, with the simple repeating print pattern. So that's the L'Occitane tote bag. Thanks for watching and happy carrying!